Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the following tools: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Ensure you have a compatible replacement battery on hand, which can be found at various retailers or online. Start by unplugging your Dyson V10 from any power source. Safety is paramount, so make sure the vacuum is completely turned off. Next, look for the two T15 screws located near the battery compartment. Using the T15 Torx screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. If you're unsure about handling these tools, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can save you time and effort. Once the screws are removed, gently pull on the battery release tab located at the back of the vacuum. This should allow you to slide the old battery out smoothly. Take a moment to clean the battery compartment with a soft cloth to remove any dust or debris, ensuring good contact with the new battery. Now, take your new battery and align it with the battery compartment. Slide it in until you hear a click, indicating it's securely in place. It's important to ensure that the battery is seated properly to avoid any operational issues. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for convenience. After securing the new battery, retrieve the T15 screws and reinsert them into the battery compartment. Make sure they are tightened firmly, but take care not to over-tighten, as this could damage the screws or the casing. Once everything is back in place, give your Dyson V10 a quick wipe down to remove any fingerprints or smudges from the exterior. It's always a good practice to keep your vacuum clean and well maintained. Now, plug in your vacuum and turn it on to test the new battery. If it powers up without any issues, congratulations! You have successfully replaced the battery. If you encounter any problems, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. You don't need to make calls or travel, we make it simple for you. Regular battery checks and replacements are vital for maintaining optimal performance. Consider scheduling regular maintenance to keep your Dyson V10 functioning at its best. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.